Hi everyone, today I will share with you 5 recipes for drinking snack. Let's start with beef tendon and green fruit salad. Umbrella is a great, crunchy and sour vegetables, peel and cut into cubes together with green mango and green apple. Then soak in salted water to prevent darkening. Next, grill a piece of ginger, a star anise and a cinnamon stick until fragrant. Combine with the beef tendon in the pressure cooker together with some salt. Cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until the tendon is tender. Next, make a great salad dressing with some sugar, fish sauce, vinegar, minced garlic and chilies. Also add some julienne ginger, thinly sliced lemongrass, and chili flakes for extra heat. Now combine the tendon with the green fruits and toss well with the salad dressing. Add some more Vietnamese herbs like mint or Asian basils and you will have a great appetizer. While waiting for the next dish to come, let's snack on some garlicky spicy peanuts. Wash the raw unpeeled peanuts, then roast in a large wok with 2 teaspoons of salt. The salt will help the peanuts to roast evenly and avoid burning. Check off the excess salt. Next, peel a whole head of garlic and mince finely with some chilies. Heat vegetable oil in a pan and fry the minced garlic and chili until fragrant. Strain the oil to catch the garlic chips. Mix it with salt and sugar. Heat some vegetable oil in a large wok, add some sugar, a dash of water, then add the roasted peanuts and the garlic chips and stir well until it gets all shiny and sticky. It tastes so good! Let's continue with beef in a clay pot. Slide the beef thinly against the grain. Then mince up some lemongrass and garlic. Then fry the minced garlic and lemongrass separately until golden brown. Now season the beef with salt, pepper and some fine spice powder. Then add the golden garlic and lemongrass and some julienne ginger. Grease the base of your mini clay pot with some garlic oil. Add some thinly sliced onion and some of the beef. Place the clay pot into a deep plate. Pour rubbing alcohol into it and put on some fire. The burning flame will cook the beef in the clay pot in just a few minutes. Smells so good! You can serve with a piece of cracker or roll it with fresh greens in a piece of rice paper. Next dish is steamed prawn with beer with green chili dipping sauce. Green chili peppers, remove the seeds and roughly chop. Cut a few young lime leaves into fine threads. Trim away the peel of a whole lime. Then cut into small pieces and combine with some salt and sugar. A good spoon of sweetened condensed milk will bring everything together. Pause to process until smooth and put into the refrigerator. Place the large prawns on the rack of a steamer. Pour some beer into the water in the steamer. Steam for about 3 minutes. Then crush some lemongrass and a few slices of ginger and steam until it gets all fragrant. Take out that dipping sauce and enjoy. Last but not least, grilled beef with mustard greens. Finely mince some garlic and chilies. Thinly slice the shallots. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the shallots until fragrant. Then add the minced garlic and chili, some soy sauce, sugar, stock powder. Stir well and simmer until the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat and let to cool. Cut the beef into strips and combine with the marinade. Mix well and let sit for about 30 minutes and then put on the grill. It's so juicy and smells really good. Wrap in a piece of mustard greens and dip into the chili sauce. So yummy! I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!